Morning student. Today we will continue our chapter measure of central tendency. Okay, so we are doing the different numerical. Today our numerical is based on less than method. Okay, so this is the statement or the numerical will be given to you, less than 20, 30, 40. This is going to be given it to you. Okay, so how to do it? Okay, so marks and number of students are already given to you, but they have written less than 20, less than 30, less than 40. So if you will see, the difference between all is 10. Okay, so difference कितना हुआ? 10 हुआ. So what we will write? Less than 20. So less than 20 is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50 to 60. Okay, and then if you will see over here, last is less than 70, less than 70. So how we are going to write it? Less than 70 is 60 to 70. Fine, is it clear? Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? Less than 20 है तो 10 to 20, अब जितना भी difference दिया हुआ है that we are going to show over here. And then number of students are already given to you, but we are not going to show the same number of students over here. Okay, so if you will see, I have make a arrow from right to left. तो हम क्या करेंगे? from below to up हम इसको minus करते जाएंगे. ठीक है, so 5 will remain the same. जो first unit है that will remain the same. So 22 minus 5. Okay, so 22 minus 5 is 17. Now 48 minus 22. Are you getting, students? That we are, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम इन्हें माइनस करते जा रहे हैं. ओके, 60 माइनस 48, दिस इज 12. ओके, 83 माइनस 60, दिस इज योर 23. एंड लास्ट वन इज 100 माइनस 83 विच इज इक्वल टू 17. फाइन, सो इस तरीके से हम इसको माइनस करते जा रहे हैं. Fine. Now mid value, I told you earlier how to calculate the mid value. If you are not aware about it, you can watch my previous video. Okay, just mid value is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So I'm just showing the one over here, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what we are getting? 15. But it's your choice if you want to calculate or each and every unit, या फिर आपको पता है कि 10-10 का डिफरेंस है तो 10-10 उसमें डिफरेंस लिख दीजिए. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Just keep it in your mind क्योंकि इन सब में डिफरेंस कितना है? 10-10 का. So that's why I have taken the difference of 10-10 in the mid value. If suppose the difference is not same, so don't do the same, don't use the same method. ठीक है. Now formula is sigma f m upon sigma f. So f we are already having, m we have calculated, mid value. So fm is multiply 5 into 15 which is equal to 75. 17 into 25, 425. So इस तरीके से हम इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So we will get at 910, 540, 1265, 1105. So what we need? We need a sigma fm. Sigma means summation of fm. Summation is equal to 4320. Okay, and sigma of f, frequency को total करेंगे तो we will get the value of 100. So shall I put the value over here? Sigma f is equal to 4320 divided by 100. So what the value I will get at? 43.2. This is the marks or this is the answer. Okay, so you are going to write it over here. 43.2 marks are there. Is it clear? Okay, now we are going through the next method. Next method is more than method. Okay, we were doing less than method, now we are doing more than method. अब आपको कैसे दे दिया जाएगा? इस तरीके से, instead of less than, they will write more than 0, more than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, up to 50 this is the given to you. Frequency is already given to you. अब हम क्या करेंगे? To make it easier for you, अब more than 0. More than 0 कितना होगा? Again if you will see the difference is 10-10. So more than 0 is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40 and so on. More than 50. More than 50 is 50 to 60. अब हमने less than method में क्या किया? First remain the same, पहला जो है वो सेम था और फिर हमने नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ माइनस किया. अब हम उल्टा करेंगे. दैट फर्स्ट विल नॉट रिमेन द सेम. हम from up to down we are going to deduct it. So 50 minus 45 5, 45 minus 38 7, 38 minus 26 12, 26 minus 10 16, and 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, and the last will remain the same. This is 4. Is it clear? Okay, so by this way we will get the frequency. Now mid value the same way we will calculate it. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5 15 25 35 45 40 55. So mid value भी हमारी आ गई है, कैलकुलेट कर लिया हमने. Again the same method, sigma fm upon sigma f. So sigma fm means we are going to multiply it. So by multiplying it we are getting 25, 105, 300, 560, 270 and 220. Okay, I have already added all the units. So sigma fm is equal to 1480, sigma f is equal to 50. तो मैंने इसको पहले से कैलकुलेशन करके रखा हुआ है. sigma fm 1480 divided by 50. So we will get the answer 29.6 mark. So beta only the difference is, if you will see over here, less than में if less than 10, so what will come? 0 to 10. More than 10 means 10 to 20. more than 10 से ज़्यादा, so 10 से ज़्यादा is 10 to 20. 10 से कम, so 0 to 10. ओके, और दूसरा डिफरेंस क्या था? लेस देन में हम इस तरीके से माइनस करते हैं और मोर देन में फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन वी आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट इट. ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन मेथड इज योर inclusive series method. Okay, in the inclusive series method, if you will remember in the previous video, okay, I suppose in the 5th chapter or 4th chapter I told you what do you mean by the inclusive series and exclusive series. ऐसी यूनिट जिसमें जो लोअर अपर लिमिट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास and lower limit of second class is not same. Okay, so if you will see here, the upper limit of first class and the lower limit of second class is not same. So हम क्या कैसे करते हैं? मैं फर्स्ट यूनिट लोअर लिमिट में से -0.5 and upper limit we are going to add 0.5. Okay, so you can show over here that this is the x is given to you, this is x is already given to you. Okay, and frequency is already given to you. ठीक है, पहले हम x लिखेंगे एंड देन फ्रीक्वेंसी लिखेंगे एंड देन वी विल कैलकुलेट द मिड वैल्यू. मिड वैल्यू मीन्स 50 प्लस 59 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 40 प्लस 49 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो बाय दिस आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड द value. Okay, by mistake I have written wrong, so there is some mistakes over there. So 50 plus 59 हम इसे add on करते जाएंगे, divided by 2 करते जाएंगे. Okay, is it clear? 40 plus 49 divided by 2, 30 plus 39 divided by 2. Okay, so we will calculate the mid value by this way. Frequency आपको बच्चे पहले ही दे रखी है. So what we are going to do, अगर आप ने पहले वाले सम्स किए हुए हैं तो आपको पता है कि हम एज्यूम करते हैं. एज्यूम कहाँ से करते हैं? फ्रॉम द मिड वैल्यू. सो आई हैव एज्यूम्ड दैट इज 24.5. ओके, फ्रॉम मिड वैल्यू. मिड वैल्यू से मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया 24.5. सो डी इज इक्वल टू m माइनस ए, क्योंकि आपका फॉर्मूला क्या है? a प्लस सिग्मा एफ डी डैश अपॉन सिग्मा एफ इंटू सी. ओके, सो d इज इक्वल टू मिड वैल्यू माइनस एज्यूम्ड. सो मिड वैल्यू इज 24. सो मिड वैल्यू आपकी कितनी है? 54.5 minus 24.5. So what we are going to get it? 30. Okay, same way. Okay, that is 44.5 minus 24.5. So you will get the value as 30, 20, 10, 0, minus 10, minus 20. Now we don't need D. हमें क्या चाहिए? D dash. We need D dash. So how to calculate D dash? M minus A upon C. Students, you can write it over here as well. How to calculate D dash? Instead of writing firstly D and then D dash, आप सीधा भी calculation कर सकते हैं. So mid value minus A upon C. C is a common factor. If you will see the difference between all is 10. So common factor कितना आ गया बच्चे आपका? 10. So 30 divided by 10. This is 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, is it clear? मैंने क्या किया है? I've divided the D with the common factor, that is 10. So f d dash. Now f is over there, d dash is over there. So FD dash is equal to 3, 6, 8, 0, minus 15 and minus 6. Okay, so A we are already having A कितना आ गया 24.5. Sigma FD dash. Okay, so we will get the value is equal to minus 4. Okay, so sigma FD dash is minus 4. Okay, and sigma F, how to calculate sigma F? By adding all the unit. So by adding we will get 40. So sigma FD dash is 40 divided by FD dash is minus 4, sigma F is equal to 40. Common factor कितना है आपका 10. So we are getting 23.50 is our answer. Is it clear? 1 we will get and we will minus it from this 24.5 minus 1. Okay, so this is our answer. So mean is 23.50. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, students.